New year, new recipe. For the first time online, I, Bhavna's Kitchen, sharing Rasedar Khichu Papri Lot. I also call it Khichu Dokli. Hey all, Namaste. Welcome back to Bhavna's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share a very unique recipe, especially from Gujarat where I grew up, and it is a kind of a new trend. I'm making Rasavado Paprino Lot. I also call it Khichu Dokri. This recipe is perfect during winter time when you want to eat something really nice, warm, and tastes so great. So let's get started. The first step is to prepare the Khichu load, just like how we prepare normal khichu, and then we will prepare the raso, which is like a gravy kind of. So the gravy is the key for this recipe that makes it perfect for winter time. So let me show you how. On a high heat, in a pan, bring about a cup of water to rapid boil. Into the boiling water, add cumin seeds, half teaspoon as jeera, half teaspoon of carom seeds, ajwain, half teaspoon of sesame seeds, till basically, salt as per taste, baking soda just a pinch or about quarter teaspoon, green chili paste as per your taste, hari mirch you can chop if desired or just make a paste. And now ready to add our half cup of rice flour, chawal ka atta. Keep stirring continuously to break the lumps. If the mixture is a little bit dry, sprinkle a little bit of water. And now cover the pan and steam for about 3 to 5 minutes. After steaming the khichu for about 3 to 5 minutes, I prefer to sprinkle a little bit of water. And I also add a little bit of oil. Take the khichu out into the plate to cool it faster. Shape the khichu in balls or donut shape, however you like. I'm going to shape them into donut, like so, and keep aside. Into the same pan, take a cup of water and bring it to a rapid boil. Add cumin seeds, carom seeds, sesame seeds, just pinch of soda or kharo, it's totally optional in the gravy, and salt. As you can see, I'm using the same ingredients here I used to prepare the khichu. Give these all a quick mix and add about a teaspoon of rice flour, chawal ka atta, to thicken the gravy. Next, arrange all the prepared khichu balls into the gravy. Cover and cook for about 5 minutes. Check after about 3 minutes to make sure the balls are not sticking to the pan. Cover and finish cooking. When done, garnish with coriander leaves, garlic chives, which is hara lasan. And if you like spicy raso, then add green chili as well. Alright, so here we have Rasavado Paprino Lot ready. I call it Khichu Dokri, and I am so ready to dig into it. It's so hot right now, but that is what you want. Take a little bit of rasa on the top, and I actually like lots of rasa. The aroma is so wonderful here. Enjoy! And this will be the super duper hit in your next party. And as you saw, it just take only one single pan to prepare this entire recipe. I hope you enjoyed watching this video making of Rasavado Paprino Lot. Do try out this recipe. and I'm sure you will absolutely fall in love with it if you are a huge fan of khichu, or also known as papri no load. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok. Bhavanas Kitchen is everywhere. You can download Bhavanas Kitchen app totally free on your iOS, Android, and many other mobile devices. You can watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon Fire, or YouTube app itself. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.